Hi boys and girls, Miss Sang here. Today you will be making a paper crown. Just like this. And it will fit around your head. Let's go ahead and get started. So boys and girls, what you need to do first is grab one piece of your square paper. I'm going to fold it in half. So corner to corner or edge to edge. So it becomes a rectangle, then you open it up again and you fold it corner to corner or edge to edge again. Now if you open up your piece of paper, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And it's okay if you don't have a coloured piece of paper, you can always colour it in and decorate it afterwards. You need to grab the top corner and fold it to the middle. That was why we creased the paper. Nice and flat. And then same to the other side. Again, meeting in the middle there and nice and flat across the side. So now your square piece of paper will have a triangle up the top, and again it becomes a bit like a rectangle. The next step is to fold the bottom piece up like that and then fold it up once more. So now it looks like this. Now we are going to repeat the same steps with all our 6 pieces of paper. So here's my next piece. Let's see if you remember what to do. Fold it in half, turn it, open it, fold it in half again, nice and straight, open it back up. Now we are folding the corners into the middle, nice and flat, the other side, and then folding the bottom part up to meet. There we go, and again folding it up like that. Here's my second one completed. And there we go, we've folded all 6 or 7 all together. Now what you'll need to do is grab your triangle, fold that bit back open, grab your other triangle and slip it in like that. And you can put it roughly about that much distance, and then grab the next color, pop it in like that. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Now I've got my 4th one, again about there, and my 5th one, and then finally my 6th one. I'm going to pop it in like that. And once you've put them all together, what you need to do is fold the triangles down, starting from the last one you put in. So for me, I'm putting the pink one down. Now I'm folding the purple one down. Now the blue one. I'm moving it across. Now the green. Now the yellow. And finally the red. Now what you need to do is flip it over, grab the very last triangle like this, making sure it's still together, and grab the red one, which is my first one. And what you need to do is open up the pink like this, the finger, and you are going to pop the red one inside. There we go. And then what you're going to do is just slide it together until it's the right size to fit your head. There we go. There is my crown. Here is my crown, which I've made. Now you might not need 6 triangles, you might only need 5 or 4, or you might need 7, depending on the size of your head. Good luck, boys and girls.